Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add stock footage in Google Feeds. Google Feeds is a new video editing tool from Google. You can do so many things in online using this app, especially for video editing. So first of all, click to Google Apps to open the app, then click to Vids, and then click to blank vid. You can see so many options. You can select anyone from here, or you can click to blank vid. After clicking that, you can see the main interface. It's a video editing timeline, and now I want to add the stock footage. Go to insert and you can see the stock and web. Click here, or you can also click to stock footage like this, stock menu. Click here, and now you can see so many things: video, stock image, music, stickers, and sound effect, also animation, gif. So I want to add the videos. Click to videos, and you can see a huge collection of video. You can collect anyone from here. You can also search, like I want to search for C. Just click on this clip to insert in your timeline. And also you can change the category from here: stock image to sticker to gif. That's it. I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.